So, question: how do I get some feedback on an issue I'm working on?
Okay, yeah, that's a good question, Tuan. So, for this habit of receiving feedback and then reacting to the feedback, incorporating the feedback, I would say the most challenging part is sometimes just getting feedback. And so there are some things you can do to at least maximize the chance that you will get feedback. And what I recommend is to propose your implementation plan as early in the process as possible as a comment on the issue thread. So that means you're going to try to get feedback before you even submit a PR. And here's how you can do that. On the issue thread, I'm going to show you an example from Chris Tangonon. He solved an issue on the Excalibur project here. And if I scroll down, you can see his plan. Right here, this is his plan. So would it be possible to do this? First, calculate this, then do this, then etc. And he even gives a little bit of a code snippet, which is not, I think, a full solution. There's even something like some TBD stuff here, so it's not even a fleshed out thing. But he's trying to get feedback on his plan. Um, he's outlining some things where it's quote unquote rough, and he's acknowledging that maybe this is not the right way to do it. Maybe there's a better way to do it. And so he's basically inviting feedback. And he does get some feedback, right? So he gets feedback here, he gets feedback here. And then you notice he acknowledges the feedback and he incorporates it into his approach. I like the reference to treating the dot as a circle. I think it'd be possible to do this instead of that. And so, um, in a way, he's already done the habit of receiving feedback and incorporating it into his approach really early on in the process before he even submitted a pull request. The second advantage is I would say you're also more likely for the PR to get merged in the end because you did get feedback from the maintainer and adjust your approach. So that you're already kind of uh, making sure that your solution is going to be well received by the maintainer. So there you go. That is the baby step I would recommend for this particular criteria, how to receive feedback.